Welcome to Technik Nest, Innovative Mind Nesting Success. In a world full of challenges like unemployment, outdated skill sets, and limited opportunities, Technik Nest is building digital bridges between potential and progress. We are not just a software development company, we're a movement to empower youth, equip them with future-ready tech skills, and guide them from being job seekers to becoming job creators. Our expert team provides smart, scalable solutions in web and app development, AI and chatbot integration, graphic and UI/UX design, educational platforms, and custom tools. We solve real-world problems, from helping local businesses go digital to building educational systems that reach the remotest learners. We don't just deliver services, we deliver impact. At Technik Nest, we believe every young mind deserves a platform to shine. That's why we host hands-on workshops, tech boot camps, and mentorship programs, helping youth discover their path, build their skills, and transform ideas into real products. Whether you're a startup, an organization, or a curious learner, Technik Nest is your innovation partner. Join us in shaping a smarter, connected, and empowered tomorrow. Technik Nest, innovating the future together. Subscribe to stay inspired with tech insights, stories of transformation, and how you can be part of this journey.